Hi, this is Marcus here and welcome back to mistake number 11. Remember, of a 17-part series, 17 mistakes that most traders make. Let's see whether you make these mistakes. And mistake number 11 is failure to take responsibility. So before we start, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the other mistakes, because you don't want to be making those mistakes. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Now, no one likes to be wrong. However, new traders especially have a tendency to blame everyone and everything else as to why they are not yet profitable. They're beginners. What are they expecting right at the beginning? Look, people blame the market when they get stopped out, or their broker for manipulating the market. The most common blame is to find fault with the system that they're using, even though it has worked for other people. The fact of the matter is that the reason that you are not making money from the market is because you don't yet have, and notice I said yet, the correct education or knowledge and time actually practicing to profit from the opportunities out there. So instead of blaming everyone and everything else, it's time to stop making excuses and realize that you are responsible for each and every trade that you make, right? No one is forcing you with a gun to place the trades that you're placing. Or, you may have lost a lot of money even though you followed the system at 100%. Look, I took every trade and I still ended up losing money. So the system must be to blame. But question, did you test that system for a sufficient amount of time? Be honest, yes or no? Did you go onto a demo account before going live? Did you check that you were making profits and then go live? Did you use proper risk management? Because if you did, you would have found out on the demo account that your system wasn't working way before you went live and ended up losing money on it. Does that make sense? Look, the only way to do this is to make sure that you put in the work and the hours so that you understand trading and the markets, so that you cannot put the blame on anyone else but yourself. So that finger has to start pointing at you. And I tell you what, this taking responsibility, I have to say, I know I'm talking about trading and investing, but in actual fact, I'm actually talking in all areas of your life. Once you realize that actually your results or lack of results have everything to do with you and nobody else, you become extremely powerful because you take responsibility. Okay? At the end of the day, it is your money. And no one, and I mean no one, is going to care about your money as much as you do. I hope that makes sense, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video, which is mistake number 12. See you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you do hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on all the other mistakes, because you don't want to be making those mistakes that most people make and it costs them money. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Also, I'd be extremely grateful if you could hit the like button. Please go ahead and do that now, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.